Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how first interest then principal will work in software. So just have a look. From the search bar, I will search one customer and I will just click the loan. So let's say 5,000, 3% rate of interest, let's say weekly. And you need to select the first interest then principal, and for let's say 6 month 6 week. So I will just create this old dated, let's say on the first 27th Feb, and installment start date also same date. So here I will calculate some processing fees I have added, calculate and save this loan. So loan number 27 created. Now you can search this loan 27, and if I go to the installment tracker, here you can see only interest we need to recover first from the borrower, and then we can recover principal amount. So here, let's say on the 28th Feb, the customer is giving 300 as a amount of two installment. I will just receive. So just refresh the installment tracker. Here you can see two installment is received. Now let's say on the 20th March, the customer is that borrower is coming, and 20th March, borrower is coming and he is saying like, I will give you 2,000 and just adjust my principal. So we need to click to the adjust principal, and let's see what happened in the tracker. So here you can see principal is adjusted and only principal remaining is 3,000. So on 3,000, 3% interest is 90. So according to that, from the 20th March, 90 is calculated by the system, and we need to recover the 90 installment of 4 installment for the remaining principal 3,000. So let's say the customer, I will just enter the date of, let's say, 1st March, for April, 1st April, and this 3,600, I will just receive 300, and just click receive and refresh the tracker. Here you can see that 300 is adjusted with this interest. Now principal and 90 is remaining. So from the loan number 27, this total amount we will receive from here, and loan is closed. So automatically whatever remaining amount we have received, it is adjusted with principal and interest. And if you check the transaction balance also zero. Means the customer is amount is fully paid by the borrower, and loan is closed successfully. So this type we can manage our business very well in Jainam Software. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day.